Hi everyone, Jaymes Mansfield here bringing you yet another video. And you may be wondering, James, what's that clock doing here? Well, I am going to be doing the 30-minute makeup challenge as issued to Trixie by Luscious Massacre to see if she could do her makeup in 30 minutes. Now, I have done stuff like this similar in the past. Like I did some with World of Wonder, like a 20-minute makeup challenge where I was in a car, a moving Uber, yeah. And I managed to succeed at that one. I styled a wig in 30 minutes on this channel. I've done it all, but I've never done my makeup on this channel in 30 minutes. I've done it in real life. Yes, I have, but I decided I'm going to challenge myself and see how much makeup I can get done in 30 minutes if I can have a full mug on and be out the door in 30 minutes. So, without further much ado, I blocked my eyebrows. I did that beforehand because if I did not, that would basically be all the 30 minutes because my eyebrows are thick. So, eyebrows are blocked. Let's get started and do our 30-minute makeup challenge. Let's do it. And that's 15 minutes, not 30.
I was trying to set
you were trying to set me up. Lo and behold, I probably could do it in 15 minutes, all right? But no, here we go. 30 minutes. Start. Okay. Make sure I can see that nice and big. Here we go. 30 minutes. Brows are blocked. Let's do it. So I'm going to do blocking the eyebrows with makeup first. Here we go. Just to make sure the brows are all blocked out. I think this is pretty good so far. We're at a good start. Color correct. Color correcting right now. Here we go. All right, and my brushes all got spilled earlier. Here they are. Okay. Setup. So setup, I tell you. Ernie knocked my brushes over, so now they're all disorganized. Here we go. This is the kind of chaos that happens when you only have 30 minutes to do your makeup. Now, I've done something like this similar in the past. I got called in for brunch. Literally, like, Yara called out, so I had to come fill in. And I had about an hour to get there and do my makeup. Love that kind of setup. Love that for me. Basically blocking my brows in the Uber. Glue and Prozade. And lo and behold, when I got there, I was able to like jump in there and just like go to her spot and start getting ready immediately. I was like, put me later in the lineup. I'm ready. Okay. I was not going to turn down good money. Here we go. What else happened? What else have I done? Oh my God, that World of Wonder one. Okay, so when I did my makeup in that Uber for 20 minutes, I'll just say this right now, it was a little longer than that. like I feel like it was maybe like 28, 30 minutes we had to do it because also I was like scrambled for time because we got into a car accident while we were filming it. Like somebody like rear-ended the car we were in. So that also added on some time, although Pete, who no longer works there, but like told me, the clock is timed. You cannot do your makeup. Okay, this is going to count against you. I could not like finish my mug while I was waiting for them to exchange information, which I think is unfair. That has to be some kind of ethics violation. Some sort of human rights violation was done that day. And I did eventually get on All Stars, so I guess I can't sue like I said I would have. Let's see, I'm going to check the timer quick because we almost got the mug already on.
27 minutes.
Okay. Not doing terribly so far. Not bad at all. The foundation is basically all down. I get the forehead. Watch, I'm gonna get to like the 10-minute mark and also almost all my face is gonna be done. Like I can just take my time with this now. I can't wait till I get to the point where I can just start adding stuff because I just feel like it. Like let's put glitter on, why not? All right, foundation. That's most girls' mugs right there. Half the time is done with that. All right, let's powder it. Set our mug. We do have a live chat going right now as I film this because if you're not aware, when I do these videos, I usually will have a live audience. If you're a Wiglet, you get to sit down on my filmings and chat and kiki and be part of the fun, you know? Have a party with me. As I sit here going crazy, rushing to put my makeup on. I think the most important thing for me is just making sure the brows are like not visible or like at least covered enough so they're not peeking through. Because when you have dark black hair, that's the first thing that shows through is your eyebrows. Contour. Let's do this. I organized the best I could. I feel like I should keep some of that realism here where I'm still scrambling to get shit. Contour. Pheromone trick. Our cheekbones on. I don't want to be caught dead in front of a man with not my cheekbones on, okay? Don't let them see your Superman, Batman, the animated series jawline. I must say, like, this kind of challenge never really comes across my desk too often because I'm one of those people that's ready far too early. That's always kind of the running joke with me at the brunches when I worked at is the fact that, like, I would show up fully done, sitting in my costume while everyone else is just sitting there, like, hours going by, putting their makeup on. I'm always that person, though. Like, I'll show up to the airport, like, 4 hours early and just sit there just so I make sure I get on that plane, all right? I'm not taking any freaking chances. Like, my biggest fear in the world is getting left behind in a city I'm not familiar with. Like, just recently, I was booked in Louisville. Great crowd. Loved it. Play was amazing. But they had a gigantic snowstorm happening, and everything was going to get shut down. And lo and behold, as I'm about to go on for my second number, I get an alert from Southwest saying my flight's been canceled. So I'm basically going on stage knowing I'm going to have to go back and emergency rebook my stuff. Managed to get out of there in the nick of time. Basically sitting at the airport at 4 a.m. so I can catch a 5 a.m. flight. One thing I knew, I was not going to get stuck in Louisville, especially during a snowstorm.
I can't even imagine having to do drag makeup in 30 minutes. I can barely do that myself with regular makeup.
If I can do it, none of you girls have any excuses, all right? Muscle memory of a trained sniper, okay? Now this is where everything can go drastically wrong. If the eyebrows are off, I'm just gonna quit. Like, we're done. We're not doing anything anymore. It's brows, eyeliner, I think are gonna be the ones I get really quiet, and lips. Brows, liner, and lips. I can't really do two things at once. I have to concentrate with it. We got a little thick here, but it's just fine. We're a little Brooke Shields-y right now. It's not the intention, but that's where we are. Okay, that's a good staple for the brow so far. Let's see, highlight. Let's put our highlight on. I'm not gonna lie, I think years of doing these YouTube videos has prepared me for things like this. Because there have been times where I just had to get home, throw the mug on, or I just like did not feel like filming, but I knew I had to do it. So I've been finding like shortcuts on how to do my makeup. Like back in the day, y'all could see it. If I showed up with like a heavy smoky eye, you know, that's a day Jaymes did not want to do this. She said, I'm going to do it because I love you, but not because I want to. All right, ombre brow, powder on her cheeks. You're going to notice when I do challenges like this, my methods become way more old school, where it's just like, we're going to bake just baking powder all up on the face. Some stuff needs to do some heavy lifting here. I'm not taking my time anymore. I haven't even started eyes yet. My God. When we get to the 15-minute mark, let me know, because that's when I know I have to like really... It's nut cutting time. There we go. I'm gonna do a nude eye. Oh my God. I expect her to have most of the face done by the time I get to 20 minutes.
Like you said, the smoky eye is always there for you, looking glam in a minute.
I'm telling you, those days you really gotta like rush. That smoky eye will get you out of many situations. Oh my God, I remember when I had to do my drag mom's pageant back in the day in Milwaukee. The girl that said she was gonna do my makeup was so fucking shady. Like, she did my mug so bad. Like, she did the worst blended smoky eye in the world. But she was like one of those queens that was like insistent I let her do my makeup. And like, I didn't realize like that's one of those first things, like when you're up and coming queen. I guess like she tolerated me, but did not quite like me because I guess she thought I wanted her ex-boyfriend, even though we were just friends. So when she did my mug, she painted me so rotted. Like, girl, she got me together. Some queens will be shady like that. Or, lo and behold, maybe I'm reading too deeply into it and she was just bad at makeup. That also is a possibility. But I like the storyline behind it better. It's more telenovela for me. But that bitch set me up so fiercely. Partly the root of my distrust of drag queens to this day. Drag queens are evil, grifting people. Although I will say, when I busted out my color correct and started color correcting my beard, the first thing she said was, "What are you doing?" So maybe she just didn't know how to do makeup. Maybe that smoky eye is really all she had in her arsenal. Who knows?
She said, go faster, faster.
Shut up! I'm going as fast as I can. All right, we get to the 15-minute mark, y'all. Make sure to make it known in the chat. Like, wake it up for me. So I know I'm taking too freaking long. Pink. Whew, okay. Let's start cutting the crease. Not fucking around with any kind of crazy brushes. We're just going to use our fingers. Okay. Lumble, hold on, doing this challenge. I still haven't watched Trixie's video yet. I don't even know how she did. Did she succeed? Please let me know down below. Was it good or was it kind of rotted? I simply must know.
You're 14 minutes, 29 seconds.
Okay. I think I can make this work. Girl, I might finish this with time to spare. Eyeliner. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. I must say, this whole idea of rushing through your makeup goes against everything I truly believe in. I do believe in taking your time. If you think you need 6 hours to do your makeup, by all means, do it. And it's not going to stop me from talking shit about you, but by all means, take your time. Your process is your process. I'll never rush an artist. You don't ask Michelangelo to rush, is all I'm saying. What's that old saying? Rome wasn't built in a day. Okay.
Trixie gets fine. That's people that's you, Jane.
I'm just like, wish you would take that 30-minute challenge when I was doing her stuff on Trixie Mattel. Although, to be fair, with a TV production, half the time is waiting. It's like we would just be sitting there ready to go, like for hours before they're even ready for us. Like I said, it takes all day to just set like one light up. As much fun as it would be to like blame her for holding up production, but it just takes forever. Blocking cameras and stuff.
10 minutes.
All right. Oh, bitch, I did that. Okay, eyes are on. Y'all are so mad. The girls cannot take it. All right, under eye. Remember that weird trend in like 2017 drag where all the girls just leaving their under eyes bare? Like no eyeliner under it at all? Even queens were doing it. Walk around looking hungover.
8 minutes.
All right.
And 47 seconds.
Cool. I'm feeling pretty good. Just gotta do lips and blush now. Girl, I might finish this early. Lips. Let's do our lips. Now, future promoters, if you see this, I don't want you to think that if I'm late and use this against me, okay? Don't you dare think you can do that. This is a special circumstance kind of mug. Don't you dare use me as an example against somebody else. Like, well, Jaymes could do her makeup in 30 minutes. I don't know what took you so long. Like, don't do that. Don't pit queen against queen. Ooh, okay. I think that's just about it. 5 minutes? I finished with 5 minutes to spare.
What about your eyelashes?
I was going to do that off camera. Girl. Let's not ask for the moon. We have the stars. All right. We got to blend a little bit. And voila. There we are. Our mug is on. The mug is muggy. How much time do I have left? 4 minutes. I finished at 4:48. Clock that. Punch it down. I finished early. All right. Well, I basically have all my makeup stuff done. I paused the timer. Even after putting my lashes on, I still have 2 minutes and 29 seconds to spare. Technically, I finished all the makeup stuff at 4 minutes and 48 seconds, which means I just gotta throw on my look and I'm ready to go. You girls need to get on my level, okay? All you cross-dressers out there, pick up the pace, mama. Fix your speed. I'm kidding. Take all the time you need, honestly. Nothing in life should ever bring you to this. This goes against everything I believe in. If you need 6 hours to get ready, by all means, take the time. Take your time. We don't need to see you, okay? Make them wait. Now, I'll be right back. I'm gonna put on my look and I'll be right back with our final result. Welcome back. This is the final result. And okay, I did it. This is fully a mug ready to go on stage. I knew I could do it. I knew I had it in me. Would I ever want to do it again? No. Honestly, no. Again, I must reiterate, no one should ever be forced to rush to do their makeup. All right. Never rush a woman to do her makeup. Take as much time as you need. Okay. He can wait. The party can wait. We can arrive late. Time is just a concept after all. All right. So yeah, don't ever let anyone rush you, no matter who they are or how comforting their voice may seem. Okay. I'm on to you, luscious. I think this is a plot. I'm going to call it out right now. I'm going to call you out right now, Luscious Massacre. I think this is a plot to get drag queens to rush and put their mugs on so they all look busted when they hit the stage. Yeah, I'm on to you. I'm on to you, lady, okay? You don't fool me. I'm drag investigating you right now. Yeah, all right? Okay. Oh my God, that felt good. I felt like Nancy Grace or somebody, just like, I'm going to take you to task. Oh my goodness. Well, I must say this 30-minute challenge honestly was not much of a challenge for me whatsoever. I've been doing this for so long and rushing to put my makeup on for so many times that this really didn't bother me. I think putting the makeup on in the car was worse. That was a lot worse because we got in the car crash and everything. And even then I still managed to get the mug on. So yeah, I guess I can't be licked. I'm sorry. I'm unbeatable. All right. Flawless victory. This is a fun makeup challenge. Trixie, I have to go watch your video and see how you did and critique it. I'll text you critiques line by line. All right? Moment by moment, I'll be giving you a critique on what you could have done better to speed this process up a little more. But first and foremost, I have to take a moment for my wiglets. Roll it! Thank you, wiglets. Thank you, wiglets. Thank you, wiglets. Thank you, Wiglets. A brand new original song just for you. I hope you enjoyed that. Thank you, Wiglets. Thank you, Wiglets. Yeah. Thank you so much, Wiglets, especially to those who sat in during this live taping while chaos ensued. Oh my goodness. And here's to our community spotlight. Look at you, community, saying those wonderful things about me. Yes. Now, you guys, I enjoyed doing this. Remember, if you want a styled wig that's gorgeous and sexy, be sure and head on over to jaymesmansfieldbeauty.com, where I have styled wigs and my own personal art available. Now, take care of yourselves, and until next time, I'll see you all in the live streams. Bye. Now hit the outro. Click here to see me try out Peppermint's makeup or watch my latest YouTube video.
Come on, click it, you know you want to. If you don't click it, I'll have you do your makeup in the backseat of an Uber. So click it.